little possum. Don't jump at me. Hey, little possum. You're the one noisy one making all the noise at night, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're the noisy little bastard that keeps me up all night. Just too damn cute to do something about it, though. Come on, jump on your tree or whatever it is you do. He's off. I'm not walking down there, there's spiders. Morning YouTube and the internet. I don't know what the low light abilities of the new camera is, which you should find out about in our video at some point. I've got a lot of videos on the go at the moment, a lot of them being uploaded, a lot aren't. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the RB front. Before Christmas I had 100 hours of footage of me doing stuff, doing more measurements, more checks, and more confirming of what I wanted and what I was going to do. That included, this is the engine we've already looked at. This is the one we stripped. I stripped this engine and I stripped this engine. The footage also included me using ratchet straps to pick that one up off the ground, off there, to put it on there. I measured all of the bits. We've got a crank out of the one of them here. This is the crank out of the original one, and we've got a crank over here under these rags being protected, because that's the one I think I'm going to use. All that footage disappeared. It's all gone. That all happened October, November actually. Even earlier than that. It happened a while ago. So you haven't seen any RB footage. Everything's been the 300Z, because that's what I've had available. I've got 5 or 6 videos for the 300 ready to go. Currently uploaded is the first drive. I got, I think, 5 more videos on it. A couple of them are a bit shorter. They're just 5-minute videos on stuff that I looked at and I couldn't really fix, but I've still recorded it and put it on. It's now the new year, and I've got to get this this RB thing happening again, because Jap Nats is in April. It's mid-January now. I'm running out of time to build an engine to defend my title, so I've just got to get on with it. Now, to help me with that, I've got some new goodies here. No, not the beer. That's not new. I've always got beer. What do we got here? So I've gone and bought, for the purpose of assembly, a new torque wrench. Gear wrench, click type. I mean, there's not much to show really. It's a very large torque wrench. That's about all you can say about that. I can't remember how much it was. It was half price on special online. Bargain. Now, for anyone complaining about the way I measured everything with verniers, this should appease them. This is a bore gauge. This is the most accurate bore gauge that I could get, that measures down to a small enough unit. So it's all still packaged. I can't remember if this goes down to 1/10,000th of an inch or 2 microns. But it's here, it's ready to go, ready for assembly to commence. And the other tool I've got is, or tools, should I say, is a bunch of micrometers. These are, shit, are these microns? One of them is imperial, one of them is metric. This is the imperial one, so this is 1/10,000th of an inch measure max. These are not the very top of the line, but they are quite good. For my purposes, they're going to be just fine. So yeah, over the next few days, or coming weeks at least, there should be some videos on the RB. Final plans. Now, what I have done is I've confirmed that the cams and the cam journals in the head, which is hidden under here, that's okay. The clearances are fine. I used plastic gauge to confirm that because I didn't have a tool small enough, and I still don't because I didn't buy another bore gauge just to be able to measure the cams. So what I'll do is I'll remeasure all the blocks, all the cranks. I'll remeasure the cams just to confirm with my new gear, and I'll do that on camera, and I'll do videos for that so you can see how you do it with the right tool instead of the verniers. Make the selection, get the stuff off to machining, buy the parts, then get the stuff off to machining because I want to match bore the block to the pistons that turn up. I'm going to be buying them from Otaku Garage. I've spoken to Sam Lucas. He's got a video channel of his own, YouTube channel called Abstract Studios, I think. He owns Otaku Garage. I've been in contact with him. He's going to hook me up in response for a shout out. So shout outs, and I'll give him more. In addition to that, I've nailed down who the machinist is going to be. I know who the tuner is going to be, and I'm waiting on word back from a potential sponsor for the car before announcing anything there, which would be really cool if I can get a sponsor, because that's going to make all this engine stuff a lot more affordable. And Otaku Garage is hooking me up on the prices too for the gear, so he's done a bang up job with his pricing, so he's helped me a lot there. So hopefully in the not too distant future I'll have some videos of the RB going back together, and I'll have it running in and then racing at Jap Nats at the latest. I'd like to have it ready for a round of the Queensland Time Attack series before that, but that's going to depend a little bit on time and money, because YouTube doesn't pay very well. Also I've got a new job, so which is going to help this a lot too, because it's come with a substantial pay increase. Apart from that, all the stuff is still here. It's ready to go. Tasty beers are still being drank. I've tidied up the garage, and I'm ready to get back onto the RB and see what I can achieve with it.